Do you know how to save it? Today we are going to solve the life and death question, which is interesting. When I was young, when I went to the academy, always my teachers gave me this question. Still, I remember I was about 9 years old, and all the students were trying to solve this question, but finally we couldn't do that. Yeah, so even this question, when I give to the down level player of the student, and they tried it really hard, and then a few months later, and if I give this and they forget again, so I just try to bother my student, yeah, and they are really happy to solve this question. So you can try it today. What do you think? Really, it seems impossible that white is surrounded by black by net, but you can save it, yeah, probably. So now you can think about the idea, yeah. What do you think? You have a full method, right? Yeah, just like A, B, C, D. Yeah, I don't think E is a good idea. Yeah, maybe outside also you may possible to think. Yeah. What is your first feeling? Yeah. If you still couldn't solve it, then you can stop this video and you can try it first. Yeah. Really, it's not easy, even though it looks like very easy. Yeah. If you simply think like when you push, right? And you may fear this is very easy because you can cut here and then you can double cut. But probably black is not gonna answer like that. Yeah, make sure black will place stretch here. After this, when you push here, still I'm not gonna block here. I will stretch here. I know you want to cut and cut, but black will play. Just stretch here. So seems there are many cutting point, but nothing is gonna work. Black can just capture white group. Then what do you think? It seems really impossible, but that's really possible. Yeah. Uh, Now you can think about it. Yeah, really. I will open the answer after 20 seconds. Yeah. There are just like simply, those are same way. And also those are same. Yeah, I don't think you have to think for this Kusumi. Yeah, it's so obvious, right? Yeah. And even, no worry, this time I didn't prepare which you can play from outside. Those attachment is not really working. Yeah, it's not really, it's not work. Yeah, it's not working. So you don't have to be worried about that. So only you have to think for inside. Yeah, just like A, B, C, D. Yeah, that I show you. What do you think? And then you can even skip because A and B are same, and then C and D are same. Yeah, so now I just skip. You can think both sides. Yeah, I give you much more tips, right? Yeah. Did you solve it? Yeah, it's really not easy. Even though you think for a long time, like more than 10 minutes, and you still may not solve it. Yeah, so you can just try it. Enjoy to try it. Yeah, before you see the answer. Yeah. Okay, let's open the answer. The best move from now. Yeah, what is the correction? The solution is if I just push here. It's not the solution. Yeah, black can block here, and then when you play here, I told you that black has to stretch here. After this, there is no method to save a white group. Yeah, if you just push anywhere, like make sure black will step back here. I'm not gonna block here. I will step back. So after this, no matter you try, yeah, really nothing is possible. So what you have to do is not from A. Yeah, not from A. You have to start from C. Yeah. When white pushes here, black can't block here because now there is many weaknesses now. Cut, Atari, you can't capture. So black will just stretch here. That means even white pushes here, then still black has to stretch here. Can't block here. Cannot block. The same as just now. White can just push couple times and then cut here and then double Atari. So now this is okay for white, but black will probably stretch here. Yeah. I gave you many tips, right? But what do you think? Are you confident to save now? Yeah, you can retry again now. You saw it until now. I show you much more. Yeah. But still not that easy. Yeah, that's the problem. Even you saw the 4 steps and it's still not that easy to solve. Yeah. Also, I can say that there are, I can show you another example. There are A and B. Because C and D is same actually, yeah. A and between C, they are same, yeah. And the B and D, they are same, right? We don't have to think. Yeah, so what do you think? Which side do you have to push? Yeah. Okay, I will open it. B probably doesn't work. B is like you are making like self-Atari by yourself, just like less liberty by yourself. C doesn't work. So you have to play at the, sorry, it's not the C, B, my mistake. You need to push at the A, and the black is gonna block here. So now you have to do that. Yeah, yeah. Okay, I can even really say that even now is not that easy. Yeah, even now is not easy question actually. That means it's really hard, right? If white decided to push here, then nothing is gonna work. Yeah, if you cut here, it seems a very good idea. Then you are attacking this, and then if black just connect here. And when you Atari, I'm not gonna connect here. Then you will be very happy, right? But I can just Atari from outside. That's gonna be snapback. So black shouldn't play here. I mean the white shouldn't play here. So white shouldn't touch anywhere. Just cut this way or this way. You have to prepare to beat his cutting point. In case black plays here, then sequence is very important. You can Atari, and then just now if you have this push and it was snapback, right? So you shouldn't push here. You have to change the sequence. You can Atari first, and then when it just connect, and you can save it. Then you are freedom. Yeah, you can go outside. And if black just connect here, then white can capture. Then of course, yeah, we are not studying for who is better. Just we are studying for how we can save. Then white can keep push, and then this one Atari connect, and saving is not gonna be difficult. Just when you are having the right performance to go out, yeah, like this, then you can save it. Yeah. So now that's really great to move, right? You just need to cut here. Then you may have a question, what about black just ignore, I don't answer, and then this way. Then this time white can push and then cut first. And then cut again. White has to capture and then you can go out. Then it's also same as just now. Yeah, of course the whole board, then of course black is gonna be better. But now the question was not caring about that. Just we are escaping, black push it and then jump out. And then stretch here, and then you can probably save it. Yeah, it's not so difficult to save. Yeah, you may feel afraid, of course, if you make the mistake for your hengma moving method, then you can't save it. But now I show you that how you can handle, right, after you go out. So even this way cutting is gonna be okay. Anywhere cutting is fine. If black just answers here, then same as just now, push, cut couple times, and then Atari and go out to center. And if black just surround here, then also you have to use the same method. Seems this cutting is more attractive. Yeah, somehow I don't want to give this cutting point because if black just attack here, this is gonna be probably bad exchange. Yeah, anyway, that's it. You don't have to care about that, what I'm saying. Just saving is okay because now I want to use this way Atari. When white plays here, you can just go out here. Yeah, and yeah, you don't have to use it. Yeah, here, capture, here. Yeah, and then you can save it much easier than just now, like this. Yeah. So, how is it? Yeah, was it difficult? That means now the instead of A, you can even push and then cut this way. Still, you can save it. Yeah, save both sides are possible. Yeah, just before we have a stone. If you decided to push this way or this way, then you can't save it. Yeah, because after you push and then when you are doing this, and then no matter you just have a one push here, then sorry, black can just play here is not gonna work. But if you do not have this one, when you cut here, then you can Atari. Then you have a chance to make Atari here instead of just pushing and giving the snap back to white, to black. So now you have a chance to Atari here and save. That's why we shouldn't push. Which side? Okay, let me set up the spelling again. You may feel confused, right? A, B. You shouldn't have any push at the A, B if you want to save. Only C, D, those are possible. Yeah. And even after you exchange C, D, then still you shouldn't touch those way. Yeah, you need to push somewhere and cut. That's it. Yeah. So it's not gonna help you for your actual game, the middle game skill, but just it's an interesting question how you can have a how you can save a white group with your reading training. So it seems really impossible, but actually, yeah, it was really possible. I still remember when I was young and when I get it from my teacher, I enjoyed to solve. But I remember I failed, yeah, for this question. Yeah, how was it? Did you solve it? If you solve it, I'm pretty sure then your level will be stronger than Dan player. Maybe even can be middle Dan level. Really, yeah. Okay, everybody. Today I wanted to show you the interesting question. How was it? If you enjoyed it, then please watch. Please press the like and subscribe. Yeah, please press the button. Thank you so much, everybody. And see you guys next time. Bye.